Every shadow fades away when your mercy lights my way. I surrender to your hand where I understand. Every heartbeat sings your name through the joy, through the flame. Your spirit moves so slow in glorious flow. Let your presence glow, glorious flow. grace beyond time, endless divine. Before the earth began, you held the perfect plan. Through galaxies and stars, you knew who we are. Your voice that spoke the sky still whispers when I cry. You reach through every line, grace beyond time, grace beyond time. Through every age you stay, your love won't fade away. Forever you remain through joy and pain. Grace beyond time, ever true, flows like light from you. Every heart, every sound, your presence all around. Grace beyond time, never gone. Through the night and dawn, eternal you will shine. Grace beyond time. In silence you remain, the anchor through the rain. Your mercy won't depart, it guards my heart. 1,000 years or more, your love is still my shore. Forever I will climb, grace beyond time, eternal age you shine. Grace beyond time, grace beyond time. Grace beyond time, ever true, flows like light from you. Every heart, every sound, your presence all around. Grace beyond time, never gone. Through the night and dawn, eternal you will shine. Grace beyond time. The stars will fade away, but your truth will stay. I rest in your design, outside of grace beyond time, ever true, flows like light from you. Every heart, every sound, your presence all around. Grace beyond time, never gone. Through the night and dawn, eternal you will shine. Grace beyond time. Grace beyond time, endless divine. Grace beyond time. light begins to fade. Your mercy's newly made. The shadows lose their hold. Your promise unfolds. I lift my eyes once more to see what's been restored. Your peace awakens me like waves upon the sea. Your voice within the breeze whispers, rest in me. Breath of dawn, you make me new. All my hope returns to you. Every light, every sound, heaven's love is all around. Breath of dawn, pure and sweet. In your rhythm my heart beats. Every fear is gone. In breath of dawn, your light paints the sky in gold. Stories of grace retold. The earth begins to sing to its holy King. Your spirit stirs the air, a love beyond compare. You're all my heart adores, forever yours. Your peace awakens me like waves upon the sea. Your voice within the breeze whispers, rest in me. Breath of dawn, you make me new. All my hope returns to you. Every light, every sound, heaven's love is all around. Breath of dawn, pure and sweet. In your rhythm my heart beats. Every fear is gone. Breath of dawn, carry me on. Breath of dawn. In the calm of early light, your grace restores the night. Every tear becomes the sea of what you've done for me. Your love like water, pure, forever will endure. It washes all my pain again and again. You move so silently, yet you're all I see. Your spirit fills this place with endless grace. River of mercy, gentle and strong, you've carried my heart all along. Every wave, every sound, your healing love abounds. River of mercy, calm and wide, let your spirit be my guide. Wash my soul so free. River of mercy, in the flow I find release. You turn my fear to peace. Your whisper moves the tide with love inside. Every shadow fades away when I begin to pray. Your current pulls me near. I feel you here. You move so silently, yeah, you're all I see. Your spirit fills this place with endless grace. River of mercy, gentle and strong, you've carried my heart all along. Every wave, every sound, your healing love abounds. River of mercy, calm and wide, let your spirit be my guide. Wash my soul so free. River of mercy, your flow will never end. You call me home again. I'm drowning in your love, lifted above. lift me to your place. In the stillness of the air, I feel your presence there. You whisper to my soul, you are whole. Every shadow falls behind. Your love renews my mind. I spread my heart so wide. In your light I fly. You lift me through the haze. Your mercy lights my shining over me. Your mercy fills the air. I breathe you everywhere. In silence I can hear your voice so near. Every shadow disappears as love draws near. Heavens glow inside my chest. My heart finds rest. Echoes alive, calling me home. Your glory is shining where I roam. Through every tear, through every fight, you break the dark with echoes of light. Echoes of light, pure and true. Every breath belongs to you. In you I find myself. Echoes of light. Morning paints the sky. Your truth begins to rise. Each heartbeat sings your name, forever the same. I'm standing in your glow, and I will never let go. Your love's a gentle flame that calls my name. Every shadow disappears as love draws near. Heavens glow inside my chest. My heart finds rest. Echoes of light, calling me home. Your glory is shining where I roam. Through every tear, through every fight, you break the dark with echoes of light. Echoes of light, pure and true. Every breath belongs to you. In you I find myself. Echoes of light, your peace like sunrise falls. I hear your spirit's calls. Let every heart ignite in holy Echoes of light, calling me home. Your glory is shining where I roam. Through every tear, through every fight, you break the dark with echoes of light. Echoes of light, pure and true. Every breath belongs to you. In you I find myself. Echoes of light. Echoes of light, breaking the night. Light of eternity, shine light of eternity. Eternal rising, where your glory shines on. I see the edge of day, your grace leads every way. The ocean meets the sky, your promise never dies. Through distance I can feel your presence calm and real. My heart begins to rise to endless skies. You stretch beyond my sight, you turn the dark to light. Forever I will stand in your hand. You turn a horizon wide. by your word unshaken. Hearts awake, your light we see, faith alive inside of me. Through the dawn, through every day, your presence leads the way.